up, YouTube, man? We back at it sliding. We just literally finally got to LA. Got my man's Ace in the back with me, knocked out sleep, but we're about to get some stuff done, y'all. We gotta get a lot of parts from the shop. I gotta get the silver bullet paint set from Antonio today. We got the gas tank in the bags we about to grab from him. On top of that, I'm gonna go by the rim shop to see if he got the rims to the powder coat yet, to see how that's coming along. And then on top of that, I got to get some legs for my 2013 Road King that I just got from the auction. So stay tuned for that. Also, we got a heads up. We got our 2015 ROADGLIDE finally picked up from the auction. So we should have that thing in the next couple of days or so. I was originally going to take it and pick it up when I dropped off the 2015 other ROADGLIDE to Sacramento. But the way it's looking, man, I'm going to have to wait until after the holiday. So I have to at least get this other bike picked up so I'm not getting racked in with storage fees and extra money to spend. But we got everything going, man. Like I said, I'm trying to go live this Friday. If we can't get all the spots filled in, we're going to be forced to wait and keep going. But like I said, we can fill these last spots in. We could go live and find the winner for the truck and the bike, the motorcycle. So stay tuned for that, man. We're about to have this bike finally complete and on the way. But like I said, we finally just got to LA. I'm about to give me some good food, most definitely, and get some stuff done on the road. So stay tuned, man. We're about to have a long day for y'all. Sliding. Yes, sir, man. Me and my dog finally got our hair cut. I feel so much better, man. I was looking crazy. But my guy finally got to his house, so I'm about to pull up on him and grab these legs for our 2013 Road King that we just got from the auction. So stay tuned for that. After that, we're going straight to Antonio to pick up the rest of our paint set. So we're about to have everything finally at the house for the 2019 ROADGLIDE that we're giving away with the truck right now that we have going, man. So stay tuned. Everything about to come together, man. I promise y'all. I can't wait for y'all to see everything assembled. It's going to look crazy, man. But like I said, stay tuned, man. What up, man? How you doing? Antonio, what's going on? How you doing, man? Oh, you got the other parts from Ashton? Yep. I know you got a gang of stuff. We got our parts, man. Our fender, bag list, gang of stuff. I'm telling y'all. Woo! God damn. Hey, this Camaro is nice. Hold on. What the fuck? Damn, that look good. Man, did you get a whiff of that? I don't know. This Camaro look good. That's crazy. I don't know who car this is. Let me stop. That shit is amazing though. Antonio, what you doing to the Camaro? That shit look good. Okay, I'm so used to seeing them looking terrible. This look amazing right now. That's crazy. I gotta take a picture for my dad.
Black complete.
That's crazy, dude. This look good. Oh yeah, we got the parts. Yes, sir. So we got everything cleaned up and organized now for this bike. So we're about to go ahead and tackle this joint and go from there. So stay tuned, man. We're getting it in. Yes, sir, man. We got that fresh headlight with that fresh new bezel. This is way better. No bends, no cracks, nothing. This thing go right on here, perfect. I gotta just tuck that piece on there, but we got it going, man. This thing is about to go right back on that joint. Ready to go now. lot of work to this joint the past few minutes. It's crazy how much chrome is on this bike. It's very outstanding, I'll say. It's literally chrome everywhere. But we got the back fender off. We're about to go ahead and solder that light bar on there because you have to do it from inside because the wires go through there and all that good stuff. So I had to take the fender off to do that. We're about to go ahead and solder that, and then we're going to go over the whole bike again. I had just went over some of the bolts to make sure everything was Loctited within that whole front end and whatnot. So we got all that on the road. So I'm trying to get this whole back in. Once we get this complete, we'll be done back here. We'll go ahead and tackle the battery and the starter situation. We end up putting a new starter, so I'm gonna go over that, make sure everything is what it needs to be on this side, and then from there we're gonna put a hot battery, try to juice it up. I still have to do the brake and throttle over there, so that's another thing we got to get done. But we got the front end on here looking good, man. As y'all can see, this thing is on here looking juiced up, looking amazing, man. It's crazy. That thing is looking good, y'all. I'm telling you, we got it going. But stay tuned, man. I'm telling you, we're about to keep getting it in, making it happen. We Loctited the whole crash bar. We bolted that up. The gas tank, we bolted that up. We went over some of the bolts on the bottom end. Went over the brake, went over that. Trying to go over everything, but like I said, we're doing it little by little. Not trying to rush, trying to take my time so we can make sure everything's what it needs to be. But I'm loving this beefy, meaty tire. This thing is fresh, ready to burn some rubber, that's for sure. But stay tuned, man. We're about to get it going, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and solder this up and go from there, but stay tuned, man.